Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got power and Wi-Fi ready. Now begin pairing so the remote can control the device. Start by inserting fresh batteries into the remote and turn the TV to the Chromecast input. Open the Google Home app on the same network and tap your Chromecast tile to start setup. Once done, the device will prompt pairing. If it doesn't, press and hold back plus home on the remote for about 5 seconds to force pairing mode and watch for the LED or on-screen prompt. Once the remote is in pairing mode, you'll see an on-screen code and a prompt in the app. Confirm they match to establish a secure link. You must accept any permission or update requests because firmware updates improve compatibility and fix bugs. Make sure your phone remains on the same Wi-Fi and do not quit the app. This keeps the handshake stable. If pairing stalls, try holding the remote buttons again briefly and make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone. So after pairing, immediately test navigation, home, back, and voice buttons to confirm everything works. You want to spot any latency or missing functions before leaving setup. Then customize button assignments and voice settings inside Google TV so the remote behaves the way you expect. If something goes wrong, one reliable troubleshooting tip is to restart the Chromecast and the TV, remove and reinsert the remote batteries. Then press and hold back plus home for 5-10 seconds to force a fresh pairing attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.